This is for heating system. This problem is this thermostat not working. Reset also out not coming. Okay, need to change this one. Don't have thermostat. I will remove now this connection. Now put a direct. After working, now this put here. After face to face, this thermostat working. Because heater 2, thermostat 1. Because now have old one thermostat like this. Power on. Ampere 13.9 14 like this. See, now connection this going, this thermostat damage. I will put this only. One phase here. The two heater working. Now ampere 14.